مرحبا بكم. I am Rana from Theta Tech Consultancy, and welcome to Theta Tech's brief about two of our AI training programs. These programs are designed to help organizations harness the power of AI effectively.
أهلا وسهلا بكم جميعا. I am Sarah from Theta Tech Consultancy. AI is transforming industries globally, and in the Arabian Gulf, especially in the UAE, there's a strong push to integrate AI into national strategies to drive innovation and economic growth.
In addition to AI consultancy, at Theta Tech, we provide a series of AI training programs. The AI Awareness Workshop that we provide is the essential starting point for anyone looking to build a career in AI, whether you're interested in AI strategic planning or the AI technical career path. The AI Awareness Workshop is a foundational course. It provides the knowledge you need to fully understand artificial intelligence and its applications. The UAE AI GRC Alignment Workshop is another training program by Theta Tech. It's a complementary extension of the AI Awareness Workshop, working hand in hand to provide a comprehensive education on both AI fundamentals and the governance, risk, and compliance (GRC) frameworks necessary to ensure responsible and ethical AI implementation in the UAE.
On the AI consultancy training path, we offer training programs that take you from AI strategy framework fundamentals to hands-on training with our patent-pending AI strategy framework. This prepares you to apply AI strategically across organizations, and if you wish to advance further, pursuing a consultancy role can help you grow your career.
Likewise, for those interested in a more technical route, the AI Awareness Workshop is highly recommended as a strong foundation. It leads into technical roles such as AI programming, data scientist, etc., all of which are crucial in developing AI solutions. Today we will go through an overview of the AI Awareness Workshop and the UAE AI Governance, Risk and Compliance. The UAE has set ambitious AI goals, aiming to become a global leader in AI by aligning its national strategy with technological advancements.
Organizations must understand AI's potential to leverage these advancements and contribute to UAE national objectives in innovation, efficiency, and service enhancement.
To fully capitalize on AI's potential, it's important for organizations to understand AI not just as technology, but as a strategic tool that can drive opportunities and manage risks.
This is why our AI awareness program is the perfect starting point for organizations looking to build a solid AI foundation.
The AI Awareness Workshop introduces participants to the basics of AI, including how it works, its potential applications, and the opportunities it offers.
This hands-on workshop is designed to give participants a clear understanding of AI, how it can be applied effectively in their organization and everyday life.
Participants will learn what AI is, how it works, and the opportunities and risks associated with AI.
This workshop equips you to navigate the AI landscape by helping you understand AI's impact, the strategic opportunities it presents, and how to handle its potential risks.
Our AI Awareness Program is structured to provide a comprehensive understanding of AI over 5 key days. Day 1, Introduction to AI. Day 2, Exploring AI in everyday life and addressing risks. Day 3, AI algorithms, generative AI, and tools for AI exploration. Day 4, the need for a comprehensive AI strategy in an organization. Day 5, final presentations and workshop conclusion.
Please note, Theta Tech can customize the training content and duration to the client's environment to ensure the training is meaningful, practical, and impactful for your organization's needs.
By the end of this workshop, participants will have a solid understanding of AI, how to build a successful AI strategy, and how to align AI projects with business goals.
Interactive discussions, real-world case studies, and hands-on activities ensure that you'll leave the workshop equipped to make informed, strategic decisions about AI.
While understanding AI is crucial, ensuring compliance with national regulations is just as important.
In the UAE, a comprehensive set of ethical guidelines ensures that AI is used responsibly and effectively. Our UAE AI Alignment program is specifically designed to help organizations meet these guidelines.
This program helps organizations align their AI initiatives with the UAE's national AI strategy, ensuring they meet ethical standards, data privacy regulations, and national objectives.
It's tailored to the unique needs of organizations in the UAE, making sure AI initiatives not only comply with laws but also contribute to the broader national goals.
The training program covers 5 days. Day 1, Introduction to AI Ethics and Governance. Day 2, Data Privacy and Security in AI Systems. Day 3, Bias Detection and Fairness in AI Systems. Day 4, Risk Management, Compliance, and Stakeholder Engagement. Day 5, Continuous Improvement and AI Maturity.
This outline ensures you're fully aware of the UAE regulations and best practices, enabling your organization to effectively implement AI solutions while staying compliant.
Participants will gain a deep understanding of UAE's AI regulations, how to implement AI ethically, and how to align AI projects with national objectives.
The comprehensiveness of this program ensures that organizations not only comply with UAE AI guidelines, but also leverage AI to drive innovation and efficiency.
Through this program, your organization will ensure that all AI initiatives are compliant, ethical, and aligned with UAE's national goals.
It's about ensuring that your AI strategy contributes to national progress while enhancing your organization's performance.
Theta Tech's AI training programs provide the knowledge and tools necessary to excel in the AI-driven future.
Don't miss the opportunity to empower your organization with the skills and strategies needed for AI success. Reach out to us today to learn more and start your AI journey.